You weren't doing it earlier, so. I know the dog's still making noise. Show Daddy how you use Brianna's bike. You wanna play guitar? Need help? Alright, back up. Good job. Alright, go that way. Careful. You want help? Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, you got the bell. Yeah, the tassels are still kind of bent for me in the package. Good job, Roy. Are you gonna remove those blocks and those books? Careful, careful. Oh, you got good job. That would have been cooler if Mommy hadn't jumped. Did it hurt your butt? That was a good one, Rory.